You click this video because you want to learn how to do scrolling text or end credit text. When you watch a movie, that thing that they show at the end of the movie where they show the name of the actors, name of the lead actors, the producers, all the crews, actors that were involved in the movie production. That text that is rolling off. Yes, exactly that text. That is what you want to learn how to do using CapCut Desktop. As usual, you open your CapCut. By now, I believe you know how to use CapCut. If you don't know how to use CapCut, then watch this video. It will teach you everything you need to know about CapCut Desktop. So let's head up straight to the business of this class. For now, I will bring in just like an image or something, right? This is not a real project. Then just bring in like an image. Then we'll look for a text, right? And I just go to my Google Doc and just copy a text. This is not the real text. So whatever way it is the same thing. So we'll come to CapCut. Then we'll go to text here. Then you add text, click on the default one, you bring it down like this, and you drag it, depending on where you want it to show. If you want it to show from this side to this side, whichever way or how you want it. Then you click on the text, then you come to this text box here and you paste your text there. You see, it's too big. So let's look for how to reduce it. That's the next thing to do. Look for how to reduce it. So just reduce it to how you want it to look like or how you want it to be. So these are our text now. So the next thing to do is to format it, right? So I don't know how your text is, but just come here, just format the text here. Use your text box. You can, if you want to separate it, you can click on the space bar here. The same thing here too. You can click on the space bar here. Come down again, click on space bar here. Like I'm just trying to just do some random stuff here, right? So just arrange it. You can come here, font. You change the font to any one you want. You change the font to the particular one you're looking for. So you can search and search and search and search. There's one thing about CapCut I don't really know why. CapCut don't have a search feature where you can search for any font you're looking for. I don't know why. Please, we need that feature. As big as CapCut, you have to scroll through the font to pick the particular one you're looking for. I think by now they should have a search feature where you can just search for a particular text. Like now, I'm looking for Futura, but I can't search for it. I have to go through all the text to find it. But we don't have that time. Let's just click on any font here. So let's say we pick on this particular font. Let me see this font. It's okay. Okay, we just have to go with it. Then we increase it. I don't want this video to be long unnecessarily. Then let's say we want the text to be like this or somewhere here like this. I just want to show you how to do it. You can arrange your text the way you want. You can do the formatting the way you want. You can even give it color. Let's say you want to color the first line. You can select it like this. You can select it, come here, you can give it, choose for the color you want. If it's yellow color, you can see. If it's red, you can see. Any color you want, okay? If it's green, if it's any one yellow, you can see. So to make it big now, you can see the color now, right? Let me drop it. You can see this first one is yellow already, so you can format it the way you want. Now, that depends on you, okay? So this one, let me reduce the saturation so that the exposure, so that our text can be visible very well, right? So most times it's on a black background, or depending on how you want it to look like. Something like this is okay, right? So I'll bring the text down like this, down, like I'll not make it visible. Then I'll take my cursor to the beginning point here. Then I'll go to my right hand side, then scroll down. Then under transform, see this transform here now. See this keyframe here, add keyframe. You click on it. It's as simple as that. Then you come here, you drag your cursor to where you want it to end. Then from here, you can drag this like this. Just drag it up to how you want it to close. That is it. If I play it now, just watch and see. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So the reason why it's fast is because it's too short. I can drag it, I can extend it. This keyframe here, I can just extend it to the edge and you can see now. Normally, these videos are around 14 seconds. So there's no end screen that's as short as 14 seconds. So let's make it 1 minute and see. Let's make it 1 minute and let's see how it will look like. It's an image, that's why we can extend it, okay? So don't get confused. It's an image. Okay, 50 some seconds. So we'll drag it to the end and we'll drag this one to the end, also the keyframe. So it's as simple as that. So you can see now from here now. Let's just drag this one to the beginning part also. Okay, so let's see now. Are you seeing it? So it's going. So as simple as that. No big deal. No stress. Okay? It's as what? It's as simple as what? As simple as that. Let me increase this one to normal 16:9, like the normal video size. So let's play it now. Are you seeing it? And that's how it will play till the very end. Okay, you can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the formatting style to make it look anyhow you want it to look like. This video is just to show you how to do it. Just like I said, if you want to learn how to use CapCut Desktop, do well to watch this video to teach you everything you need to know about CapCut Desktop and how you can start editing videos using CapCut. So that's all for this class. So I believe by now you have learned something new today. See you in the next one. I remain Joshua Ledger. Bye for now. Here is a quick one. If you are serious about building real digital skill and turning them into income, I host a free live training every Friday where I break down AI tools, content creation, storytelling, skill monetization, and how to grow and earn from today's digital economy. If you're interested, check the description to register for free. The registration also grants you access to join our free community called the 23 Community. We can't wait to see you there.